Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy recipe for you for a keto breakfast shake using all these ingredients, but you can mix and match it to suit your dietary requirements, your taste, what you feel like. And I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below so you can follow the instructions, you can get ideas for adaptations, pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy keto breakfast shake. But let me quickly talk you through the ingredients I have today. I have got frozen strawberries, whole frozen strawberries. You can use any berries you like. I've got coconut milk, that's my milk of choice. You can use almond milk, any kind of milk that you like. I've got fresh Irish cream to add some good healthy fats. I've got a portion of protein powder over there, and I've got some natural yogurt. Now I found the lowest carb yogurt you can for it to be keto friendly. Otherwise, if you're just wanting a breakfast shake, use any yogurt you like. Okay, now let's pop it all together. I've got my blender out and I'm going to start by adding 3/4 of a cup of milk. I thought I'd just use a 1/4 cup and just keep pouring things into it to make it easy for myself. So there's 3/4 of a cup of milk in there. We'll add 1/4 of a cup of our beautiful cream that just adds some healthy fats in. I'm going to add just a couple of those strawberries in because although you can have strawberries on keto, you don't want to go overboard. So we're just going to add in 4 of those big beautiful strawberries. And now I'm going to add in some of that yogurt. It gives lovely creaminess and some extra protein as well. And finally, a 1/2 to a scoop of protein powder. You don't have to add that in if you want to add yogurt that has protein or whatever else you like. But I'm happy with those ingredients. You can add a bit of stevia to sweeten it, whatever you like. But I'm going to just pop on my lid, and turn it over and get it blending. Okay, got my blender all plugged in. Let's blend up a smoothie. And there you go, the breakfast shake is done. Just those few berries made it nice and berry. So we're going to pop it into a glass, and there's plenty in here to have a good glass and a half, or you could just drink it straight out of the container. But that is a beautiful breakfast shake, really easy. You can adapt it to meet your dietary requirements, your macros, whatever you like. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this breakfast shake a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.